Welcome back to Tomorrow's Investing. In today's video, we're going to explore the world of chiplet technology and how TSMC, one of the leading semiconductor manufacturing companies, is embracing this transformative approach. Join us as we delve into the fascinating journey of TSMC's chiplet adoption and its impact on the semiconductor industry. If you like this content on chiplet technology, don't forget to check out our playlists on the technology itself or companies embracing it. Chiplet technology has revolutionized the semiconductor industry, offering flexibility, scalability, and improved performance. And when it comes to chiplets, TSMC has been at the forefront of innovation. Through their adoption of chiplet technology, TSMC has transformed the way semiconductor devices are manufactured, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of microelectronics. TSMC has a rich history of manufacturing cutting-edge semiconductor chips. In recent years, they recognized the potential of chiplets and began integrating them into their manufacturing processes. This shift marked a significant milestone in their approach to semiconductor production and opened up new possibilities for chip design, performance optimization, and manufacturing efficiency. Chiplets offer several advantages for TSMC and the industry as a whole. First, they enable improved yield rates, as defective chiplets can be identified and replaced, reducing overall production costs. This helps TSMC deliver higher quality products to their clients. Second, chiplets provide modularity, allowing TSMC to mix and match different components to optimize performance and power efficiency. This modularity also facilitates faster development cycles and shorter time to market, giving TSMC a competitive edge. TSMC's chiplet manufacturing process involves the production of individual chiplets with specific functionalities, such as CPU cores or I/O interfaces. These chiplets are then interconnected using advanced packaging technologies. TSMC's expertise in advanced packaging enables them to create high-performance, reliable chiplet-based solutions for their clients. By leveraging advanced packaging techniques like 2.5D and 3D packaging, TSMC can achieve efficient chiplet integration and maximize performance. TSMC's adoption of chiplet technology has made a significant impact on the semiconductor industry. Through collaborations with leading chip designers and companies, TSMC has enabled the development of innovative chiplet-based solutions. These collaborations have led to the creation of powerful processors, improved energy efficiency, and enhanced system-level performance. TSMC's chiplet manufacturing capabilities have become a critical enabler for next-generation technologies across various industries, including data centers, automotive, artificial intelligence, and more. One of the key advantages of chiplets is scalability, and TSMC has harnessed this feature to its advantage. By leveraging chiplets, TSMC can scale up or down depending on market demands and customer requirements. This scalability allows for more efficient resource utilization, enabling TSMC to meet the diverse needs of various industries. Whether it's high-performance computing or power-efficient mobile devices, TSMC's chiplet-based solutions offer versatility and customization. Looking ahead, TSMC's commitment to chiplet technology remains strong. As the demand for more powerful and energy-efficient chips continues to grow, TSMC will continue to invest in research and development to further enhance their chiplet manufacturing processes. The future holds exciting possibilities for TSMC and the semiconductor industry as chiplet technology becomes increasingly integrated into various applications. TSMC's expertise in chiplet manufacturing positions them at the forefront of semiconductor innovation, and we can expect to see even more groundbreaking advancements in the years to come. And that concludes our exploration of how TSMC is adopting chiplet technology. We look forward to witnessing the continued innovations and advancements in chiplet technology from TSMC and other industry leaders. In our next video, we will be diving more into TSMC's competitors, their biggest clients and most important suppliers. This all from a chiplet angle. If you found this video informative and would like to see more of our content in the future, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Feel free to leave any comments or questions below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.